Should I take some pictures of you? You want me to read the book? Zip, hop, hop. And other fun words to say. Elmo likes fun words. Would you like to say some fun words with Elmo?
No, take your choice.
Say zipper.
Zipper. Zipper.
Zipper. Now stretch it out. Zipper. Words with Z's make your mouth feel fizzy.
Popcorn. Pizza.
Popcorn. Pizza. Pickles.
Pumpkins.
Pumpkins. You know this book. Popcorn. Pizza. Pickles. Popcorn.
I want pizza.
You want pizza?
Pizza's coming.
Pizza's not coming. We didn't order any pizza. Would you like to have pizza for dinner tonight?
No.
Oh, okay. What do you want for dinner?
How about French fries?
You want French fries for dinner?
No.
What do you want? Oh, okay. You want Panda to read the book. Panda's going to read the book. Oh, you got Ladybug too. Hello. I am Mr. Panda, and I am going to read the book for Lindell. Lindell! I am Mr. Panda, and I am going to read the book for you. You got Raccoon?
Yes.
Should Raccoon read the book instead of Panda? Okay. Hello, I am Mr. Raccoon, and I am going to read the book for Miss Lindell. I am going to read the book. You got Whoopi the dog. You want Whoopi to read the book?
Yeah.
But I was going to read the book. Oh, what's that in your hand? Oh, you don't have Ladybug, do you?
I found it.
Oh no, it's this Ladybug.
How, Ladybug?
Hello, I'm Raccoon. Nice to meet you, Ladybug. You're kind of scary.
Yeah.
Oh.
My name is Ladybug.
Your name is Ladybug?
Yes.
But you always go grrr. Ah, you gonna play Panda? Okay.
Hello, Raccoon.
Hello, Hello, Panda. How are you?
My name is Raccoon.
My name is Raccoon.
My name is Raccoon.
Nice to meet you, Panda.
A panda. Want to sing a song?
We could sing a song. What song would you like to sing, Panda?
I say song.
What song?
I say song.
You start it.
No, this a book.
Okay, we read the book.
No, mine.
Watch Elmo play hopscotch. Hopscotch. Slimy can't hop, he wiggles. Do you think worms play wiggle scotch?
No.
No? No more camera?
This.
Okay. Hold on. Turn the camera off then, okay? Okay. Say bye, camera.